guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a project share to show you. This is for a swap that I'm doing in the Loaded Envelopes Galore and More Facebook group, and this swap was hosted by Michelle Randolph, and I will have the link down below for the Facebook group if you ever wanted to do any kind of paper crafting swaps. They're super fun, and it's a great group of gals. I've been a guest designer a couple times, and it's just a lot of fun. This one is for an awesome shoe box with a little set of paper Converse shoes. I decided to use the Meant to Be Recollections. It's either Recollections or Craft Smart paper pad from Michaels. It's one of their newer like spring summer pads that came out probably back at the beginning, like in February or March, maybe, I'm not sure. But anyway, that's the paper collection I used, and we were to make the shoe box with the pair of shoes and then 3 different embellishments, and then you just kind of fill in with extra things, whatever you feel like adding on to it. So I'm just going to show you the shoes and the embellishments. I already have some things packed into the shoes that are for her, and then I have a couple other things I'm going to add into her package. But yeah, these are super cute. This was really fun to make. If you do want me to show you how to make this, I can certainly do a video of it. I will also link the tutorial that I watched to make this, as well as, well, I think the tutorial, she has the SVG file for it. So, okay, I'll just show you these first. These are my embellishments, and I did some altered lemon embellishments. I had a lemon die. I think it was either Sizzix or I don't remember the other brand. The other brand that starts with an S. Anyway, I had the lemon dye, just so happened. And so I made little lemon embellishments, put it on a backing, and then just put a topper on the bag. These are just some rosettes I made with cupcake liners, and then I added a scalloped circle and then some flowers and rhinestones there. And then these are just embellished tags that I used with the paper collection. Added a rhinestone in the lemons and then embellished it. All right, we'll go into this. I tied it up with some tulle, and then on the box I used several different pieces from the collection. I used a floral on 2 sides, this gingham on 2 sides, and then the top I did the lemon along the top of the cover, or the lid. I used this polka dot, and I used a yellow cardstock. And then up at the top here I made a frame. I originally was going to make it a shaker, but I really loved the Be the Sunshine cut apart here, and after adding in the stuff you couldn't really see it, so I just decided not to do that, and I thought the frame looked cool like that too. So I added some rhinestones in the corners. I added this lemon die cut up here, and then just a silk flower that I had in my stash. And then along the edge I added some yellow pom-pom trim. Here are the shoes, and I absolutely love them. These are so cute. They're just so cute. I think this would be perfect for like a paper crafter that's having a baby, and you just make them and fill them with little baby things, or like baby paper crafting items for them to start a scrapbook or something. I just think it's adorable. So these are mine. They are mint green and yellow lemon Converse shoes. Super cute. I put lemons on one side, and then for where you would have the star, I put a layered flower there with the rhinestone. Did the pom-pom trim all the way around, the lemon on the front, tied it up with some yellow lace, I put some lemon tea in there and a little lemon bag I happen to have, and filled it up with some yellow goodies in there. And this one I added a roll of washi tape that goes with the color. I added some embellishments, little tags and things in there. But yeah, I love this. And there was an SVG file as well as one that you could print out and cut the pieces out. So I'll try and I'll link the video for the tutorial, because then she has the links for the other things. And then also, if you want me to make this, I'll be happy to make, show you how to make a shoe. So it's super cute. Here's the box on the inside. I did different patterns, and yeah, that's it. So I love this, and it was just really fun to make. Oh, I didn't show you the back. I added bows on the back. And here's a little, so adorable, adorable. So super cute. Anyway, I just wanted to come on and show you this, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and keep following along, because I'm working on my craft room, and so I'm going to be bringing to you videos having to do with that. So hopefully you checked out my video on Saturday, because I made a little paint organization thing just using a Keurig K-cup rotating holder thing. So if you want to see that and craft with me there, or just get an idea, you can. Anyway, I'll see you again next time. Bye.